Working with the legendary director Oops is a complete dream come true.
Do we get it?
Cena, that was adequate, but we need more pathos.
She's all about that artistic vision.
It's not enough to just slip on the banana peel. You must become the banana that has been slipped upon.
The things that make cinema.
Your gas lacks nuance. Think of a swan that just discovers Texas. Do it again.
She pushes her actors to the absolute limits, which is intense, but that's what makes her a genius.
Spectacular! More! No! Too much! Hold back. You had it.
I mean, who else could turn a simple pie in the face to high art?